A pencil may look simple, but behind it lies a carefully crafted journey. It all starts with wood and briquettes used to generate the energy needed to treat the wooden slats. These slats first pass through wax treatment. Then moved into a drying chamber where moisture is completely removed. With the slots properly dried, they are cut to a standard size. End cutting and side cutting ensures uniform dimensions. The slots then move to grooving, where fine channels are cut to hold the leads. Before insertion, each lead is tested in the factory lab against strict quality standards, so only the right ones move ahead. Once approved, glue is carefully applied into the grooves, the leads are placed in position, and another grooved slat is added on top. This forms a slat sandwich. To ensure a strong bond between wood and lead, the sandwich blocks are compressed under hydraulic pressure and dried with hot air. After bonding, the blocks are shaped into the familiar profiles we know so well: hexagonal, round, or triangular. At this stage, the pencils are still unfinished. Polishing smooths the surface, preparing them for the next treatments. The body first receives a primer coat to smooth the surface, followed by 2 color coats for a rich, even finish. Once the color sets in, strip coating adds the design lines, while foil stamping gives each pencil its brand identity. To maintain consistency, the pencils are trimmed and finished to the required size. The final look depends on the type of pencil. Regular pencils receive an end dip for a neat finish. Rubber tip pencils are fitted with a ferrule and eraser. Designer pencils are wrapped in their final look using heat transfer foiling. Before packing, every pencil passes through manual inspection, where even the smallest flaw is removed. Random samples are also tested in the lab for strength and quality. Only after clearing these checks do the pencils move to packing. Ready to begin their journey to classrooms, offices, and creative spaces. A small product, perhaps, but one shaped by precision, care, and craftsmanship at every step.